Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I've got 7 boxes in front of me. Can you believe it? And yes, I'm going to open every single one on this video right now. Why do I have 7? I'll tell you.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Okay, so I told you that I would tell you why I have 7 boxes in front of me and why I'm going to do it all in one video. These are still from 888Lots, you know, my favorite new supplier. But these are still liquidation, but it's like liquidation meets wholesaler. So 888Lots has a whole section on their website of individual items. So some of these items you've actually seen me pull out of pallets before, but now we're going to buy them in huge quantities and they'll be on the hookedonpickin.com store. So if you want any of these, you're going to have to go there. So let's go to each box. In my expectation, I've never done this before, is that each box is all going to have the same item in the box. So this box is going to be full of all of the same product. And so my goal is just to inspect the quality of it. It's all supposed to be brand new, and also count the quantity. And so I think each one of these 7 boxes, I think I've got 7 different kinds of products here. That's what I anticipate, but let's see if that's true. Okay. I don't know, maybe they just got crazy and decided to mix everything up, but my guess is no. So here is the first little tiny baby box. Oh, I'm so excited to see these. We sold these like hotcakes when we got them in our pallet. So these are all of these cool yellow journals, and they're all lined. And look, perfect condition. They're all the same. And so you're going to find these on Hooked on Pickin. Yep.
Right. You want to explain buying individual items you have to buy it all?
Yes, that's the thing. So this has, I don't know, like 20 or 30.
I think it was 43.
43 of these in there. So when you buy the individual items from this particular liquidator, I don't know how other liquidators do it, but this one, you have to buy the whole lot of them. And we were able to price negotiate so we could get it a good deal so that we could offer the good deal, pass it along to you. So, but you have to buy every single unit that they have listed under the one.
If we only wanted like 5 of these, they were like, nope, that's not how we do it.
Right.
You had to buy every last one that they had.
Yep.
Which there's pros and cons, of course, to that.
Right.
So, but yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to set this down here, and we're going to move on to the next box. So I can't even remember what all. Paul did the ordering of most of this stuff, and so yay for Paul. Yeah, well, by the time we get it, we've done so much between the time we order it and the time that we actually get it in our possession. Okay, I love these little puff air things. Lots of those in there. Oh, these are the... Oh, so this actually has 2 different products in it.
Okay.
So this has the pet memorial frame, and it's really cute. It says, paw prints on our hearts, missing your unconditional love and playful paws. We are apart, gone from our lives, but never from our heart. And you can put a picture of your pet, whether it's your, cat, dog, guinea pig, whatever. But we have a bunch of those. I'm going to put those on Hooked on Pickin. I don't know if I had them on there before, but
I thought you did.
Yeah. So those will be on Hooked on Pickin. But hiding underneath here are the coveted Post-it notes. So everybody wanted these, and I kept a whole bunch of them, but now we have more. So we're going to put these on the store. I may only steal just a couple packs because I've got a stash that's going to last me forever. So we've got Post-it notes back on the store, so you'll be able to get Post-it notes there. So that was actually 2 different products.
Buy a bunch, as you can see.
Yeah, there's a ton. So hopefully these will be nice sellers for everybody, but go to the store, you'll find all the stuff on the store. So I think that's it. I don't see anything else in the bottom of this box. I think it's just Post-it notes and...
I have a manifest over here that'll say...
Oh, okay. All right.
There should be some numbers. There's another one floating around here, too.
Okay. So, yeah, it says that the paper journals we actually only had 28.
28, okay, I was wrong.
33 of the paw prints. And then let me see what the Post-it notes were. Post-it notes. Post-it notes, we had to buy 22 packs of the Post-it notes. So, and you have to pay shipping on all that stuff. But the nice thing was we ordered all the individual items on the same day, so they actually did combine shipping for us.
That was a huge help. I had figured it was going to cost about $1 an item extra on the shipping because of the weight. These two boxes on the table are very heavy.
Which I think it averaged out. I think we ended up like 30 or 40 cents an item
Right.
because they combined all of these together. Yeah. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, looks like we've got some more paw print memorial frames. Whoop! I just stepped on one of those poppers. And then what are these? Oh, I think I know what these are. I'm gonna open one bag so that I can show you.
Be careful cutting that.
No, I'm just gonna get it started and then rip the bag. Maybe I'll just keep this one myself. So these are, everybody loved these things. They're called the Beauty Bond Manicure Sets.
Yeah.
And they come like that. Look at the smiley faces. I love it. So it's got all of this stuff for your nails.
Yep.
In a beautiful, like, kind of faux leather case.
I cannot remember how many we bought of those.
Let me look. I can tell you in just a minute.
It looks like we got a bunch though.
Yeah, it looks like that's what's in the... Ooh, there's other stuff in here too. Hold on. Let me tell you how many of the manicure sets we have. 41. 41. Okay, so we have 41 of those. And then look, if we unbury this, we have mini backpacks.
Yeah.
Yep, they're called black and white hearts. Black and white hearts.
Yeah, I think we were selling these for $15 a pop.
Yeah, $15. We had to buy, I'm trying to see the amount on that one, 13 of those. I think we have 13 of those.
Okay.
And then let me just kind of dig through and make sure we don't have, I think that's it in this one. I think it's just black and white backpacks.
The negative is once the 13 have sold, we're not going to be able to get it back. But
we'll keep an eye out because sometimes, you know, they might get some more. So, okay, this thing is ridiculously heavy.
Yeah, I just slide it over and then come on this side.
Okay, move this over. We'll come right in the middle. That's why I'm so glad I don't have a wired microphone. All right. Open this. This is a huge box. I always pull up on the lids because I don't want to cut what's in there. What in the world is this? What in the... Oh! These are the dog waste shovels.
I think it's the bottom.
Is it? Oh, sorry. I guess it doesn't matter. I've already cut that one open, so I'm just gonna... Okay, I want to show you what these look like. These are amazing.
I guess it didn't really matter, did it?
No, I guess it didn't. So look, comes with the bin, and it comes with the little rake, and it's got the whole handle that goes with it. But look at
Yeah, we couldn't keep those in stock.
these are basically dog pooper scooper
They are.
little bins. So they come in handy, especially you don't want to bend over.
Yep. They're collapsible so that you can put one in your car,
Keep
go
it,
to the park, that kind of thing.
or throw it in your, like if you have it, if it's clean, throw it in your backpack, and because it's collapsible, and then get it out when you walk the dog back home. And
Right.
so that's awesome. Okay, do you think that's what's in here too? I don't know
No clue.
how many we got of those. It doesn't say on this one. So I'll have to find the other invoice to find out how many of those we had.
I don't know where the other invoice is.
It's somewhere. We'll find it. I think this is the same thing. Is that what's in here? Yes. Dog collapsible bins. Yep, that's all that's in there. So there's 2 in each box, and there's 6 in each 6 boxes. So there's 12 in each of these. So we've got 24 so far. Okay.
Is this the invoice?
Oh, let me see.
Might as well open them, double check.
Yes, we always want to check to make sure our count is proper and make sure nothing got crushed. Yeah, 24 is how many we bought. So I don't know what's in these bottom boxes because we've already counted up all the dog waste bins. Unless it's 24 boxes times 2, which would be
awesome.
amazing. So we'll have to see though. See what else is in these. Oh my word, I think that's what it is. That's what it is. So each one has 2 in it, and so we ended up with If this other box has dog waste bins, we ended up with 48 instead of 24, and we thought we were going to get 24.
Yeah, I guess that's right.
Yeah, because there were 2.
Does it only say 24?
It says right here. Look, quantity shipped, quantity ordered, quantity shipped, 24.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, packet too.
Yeah.
I don't know if I factored that in there or not.
Yeah, I don't know either. So let's just look and make sure.
I might not have actually seen that, which would be awesome.
Yeah.
For the price of the...
It's a mistake in our favor.
Yes.
Well, I mean, it was our mistake.
Our
yeah.
mistake, not theirs.
Yeah. So that's what
it.
it is.
Fantastic.
So we ended up with, let's see, we have 33 Paw Prints Remembered Memorial 5x7 picture frames. Then we have 28 lined yellow journals. Then we have 41 manicure pedicure set nail clippers, and they're all stainless steel. It's 10 pieces in those. Then we have, okay, wait, there's something we haven't seen yet. We have a blue and gray backpack we have not seen. My guess is it's buried, maybe. We've seen the black and white backpack, which we have 13, but we're supposed to have...
Look at the box with the backpacks. Maybe
yeah,
they could
we're
put
supposed to
that
have
one.
18 blue and gray backpacks. So let me look. Probably at the bottom of a box that we haven't gotten to yet. Okay. So, we can get these out.
I bet you they're in here.
I bet you're right. Yep, there they are.
There they are.
Aren't those cute?
Little backpacks.
Little cute backpacks. I would totally wear this as a purse.
I think that's what most people are doing with them, don't
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, because it has adjustable straps. You can make it a one shoulder or you can do 2. So yeah, so we have the blue and gray. We have 18 of those. And then, let's see. I think that was it. I think I listed everything. And then the Post-it notes and the dog scooper thing. So how awesome is this? So if you go to Hooked on Pickin, you're going to find each and every one of these items. We're going to check and see if we can put some on Amazon, but I think we're just going to put them all on Hooked on Pickin because that was our full intention. So hopefully we can find a new avenue to get some of your favorite things that you see us unbox in liquidation regularly on the store and regularly available at the prices that we initially said when we unbox them out of a pallet. So just another way as a reseller to kind of think outside the box so that you can find different ways to have a replenishable item. Now, it's not 100% replenishable because they will eventually run out of these, but it's a great way to make money and not have to put in as much effort and then offer a great product to your regular customers. So hopefully it's been fun watching me unbox 7 huge boxes from 888 Lots, and go to hookedonpickin.com and buy some of this stuff up along with all the other fun things that I have. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hopefully you're having a great Christmas Eve, and thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you give it a thumbs up because you loved it. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put a video out. We will have a special video for Christmas Day, so make sure you tune in at our regularly scheduled noontime on Christmas Day so you can see the awesome message I have to share with you then.